guys, 0 to 100 adventure here, and welcome to my channel. This is my first ride of the season. It's not the best weather, it's only 3 degrees, but first of all I miss my baby, my VFR 1200X so very much. And on top of it, I've got a surprise for everybody. I'm on my way to the Warsaw Moto Expo, and I couldn't be bothered with all the traffic and the queues and parking my car. So I decided, let me get on my bike. It will be a lot quicker and a whole lot of less fuss to get a parking space. So those of you that are new to my channel, 0 to 100 Adventure is all about motorbikes, motorbike stories, gear reviews, motorbike test rides and reviews, accessories, and you name it. Tours, places to tour. So consider hitting that subscribe button and playing ding dong with the bell for further notifications. It means a lot to us, guys. These videos are free, motivates us to keep more and more coming. So if you want to come along for the ride and join me at the Warsaw Expo, stick around.
Zawsze słyszycie M-pakiet, tak samo jak w samochodach. Tak. Generalnie rzecz biorąc...
Przepraszam?
Proszę bardzo.
Świetnie. Przepraszam?
Co ty mi lecisz?
I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Those of you that enjoyed the video, give us the thumbs up. If you didn't, of course, welcome to give us a thumb down. Help a guy grow his channel. Subscribe. Play ding dong ding with a bell so that you're informed when you get videos. It's really very much appreciated if you could do that for a guy and help him grow his channel. It's all free. These videos are free. And it keeps us creators motivated to put more stuff on the channel. So thank you very much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it, and see you soon. 0 to 100 adventure over and out.